Welcome to today's explainer. If you're someone who absolutely loves optimizing your health with clear, science-backed habits, well, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're zooming in on something incredibly powerful. Think of it as an essential biological toolkit for your body. We're breaking down the Golden Beet Liver Detoxification Blend. And look, we're going way beyond just handing you a standard recipe. We're going to uncover exactly why and how this specific combo of ingredients actually interacts with your internal systems.
So, let me ask you something to kick things off. Are you ready to completely transform your liver health with just one meticulously crafted daily habit? Are you ready to literally flush toxins from your body using a super precise formula made entirely of everyday ingredients? I know, it sounds like a massive promise, right? But honestly, once you understand the underlying biology here, it makes total sense. So let's dive into the mechanics.
Section 1. The Golden Beet Blend, the ultimate recipe. Let's get right into it.
All right, grab a pen because here's your exact shopping list. To whip up this powerhouse blend, you're going to need 1 beetroot, 2 celery stalks, a 1 to 2 inch chunk of fresh ginger, 1 carrot, the juice of half a lemon, and a handful of fresh parsley. It's a beautifully straightforward list, right? You could literally grab all of this at your local grocery store. But hey, don't let that simplicity fool you. It's the unique synergy of these specific plants working together that creates such a massive effect. Okay, so we've got our ingredients lined up on the counter, but here's the absolute crucial question we need to ask ourselves. Why does this exact blend work so effectively? We aren't here to just read off a recipe card. We want to understand the why behind it, right? So let's transition out of the kitchen and take a deep dive into the biological blueprint.
Section 2. Unpacking the ingredients, the biological blueprint.
Let's really map this out and treat this blend exactly like what it is, a scientific formula. Every single thing we just listed serves a highly specific physiological purpose. Check this out. Beetroot promotes bile flow and lowers blood pressure. Celery acts as a natural diuretic. Ginger steps in to reduce inflammation and improve your digestion. Carrots deliver vitamin A for liver health. And finally, parsley brings in high chlorophyll for toxin removal. It's an incredible master blueprint. But to really wrap our heads around it, let's break down these functions one by one.
Let's start with the absolute heavy lifter of this blend, the beetroot. Beetroot promotes bile flow. Now, bile flow is a biological process that actively breaks down fats and directly supports liver detoxification. Think of bile almost like a natural dish detergent. It essentially emulsifies these large, clunky fat molecules into tiny little droplets so your body's enzymes can actually process them. So the beetroot basically turns on that biological faucet, getting things moving so fats can be flushed efficiently. Oh, and as an awesome bonus, it actively helps lower your blood pressure too. It really is foundational for both your liver and cardiovascular health.
Now, this next part is where the brilliance of this sequence really shines. Once that beetroot gets the bile flowing and breaks down the fats, what actually happens to the waste? Well, that's exactly where your 2 stalks of celery come in. Celery acts as a natural diuretic, which basically means it helps your kidneys flush those toxins right out of the body. So the beets mobilize the junk, and the celery forces your kidneys to act as the exit route, naturally increasing urine production to flush it all completely out of your system. It is just such a perfectly designed natural sequence.
Next up, we're adding a little bit of fire, but amazingly, some soothing power at the exact same time. Fresh ginger. It reduces inflammation and improves digestion. You see, when your liver and kidneys are working this hard to process and flush out toxins, you want the rest of your system to be as calm and efficient as possible. Tossing in that 1 to 2 inch chunk of fresh ginger totally settles your stomach and soothes the whole gastrointestinal tract, making sure internal inflammation isn't actively fighting against all your detox efforts. But here's the thing. We can't just focus on cleaning the liver. We absolutely have to nourish it while it works, too. And that brings us to our single carrot. Carrots deliver a crucial dose of vitamin A, which is totally non-negotiable for optimal liver health. By throwing a carrot into the mix, we're giving the liver the exact fuel and structural support it needs to stay healthy, while it does all that heavy lifting of detoxifying your body. It is literally the perfect support system.
And to round out the functional elements of this formula, we turn to the fresh parsley. Parsley is packed with incredibly high amounts of chlorophyll, which acts as a seriously powerful agent for overall toxin removal. Look at it this way. If the celery is the exit route, think of the chlorophyll and the parsley as the ultimate cleanup crew sweeping the floors on the way out. It physically binds to heavy metals and lingering debris to help drag them right out of your system. Throw in that squeeze of half a lemon for some flavor and extra acidity, and boom, your biological toolkit is complete.
Section 3. The ultimate juicing secret, hardware and technique.
Okay, I think we can all agree on one major headache when it comes to juicing. Annoying, highly fibrous veggies like celery. Seriously, anyone who's ever used a standard juicer knows the absolute nightmare of celery strings wrapping tightly around the blades and completely jamming the machine. It makes you want to just give up on juicing forever, right? Well, our source highlights a brilliant solution: the H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. The ultimate insider secret here is its smoothly operating strainer-free design. It literally eliminates that celery jam issue entirely. It handles those tough, stringy veggies like a dream, turning what used to be a frustrating chore into a totally seamless process. So here's how you actually put this all together and make it a practical daily habit. Step 1. Always juice the beetroot first. Doing this with the H400 ensures you get the absolute maximum extraction of that crucial bile-flowing juice right out of the gate. Step 2. Take full advantage of the high-volume chamber and self-feeding hopper for batch juicing. Look, if you want this detox to be a sustainable habit, you definitely don't want to be making it from scratch every single morning. By using that self-feeding hopper, you just load up all your ingredients, let the machine do the heavy lifting, and prep a large batch of this liver detoxifying gold to keep you fully stocked for days. To wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with a vital question to think about. Are you going to harness the power of the H400 to fundamentally change how your body processes toxins with this daily batch juice detox? Because you have the blueprint now. You understand exactly how the beetroot, celery, ginger, carrots, and parsley work together to promote bile flow, flush the kidneys, calm inflammation, and sweep out toxins. Plus, you've got the insider technique on the exact hardware to make the whole process completely frictionless. All that's left is to take this knowledge and put it into action. Thanks so much for hanging out and learning with me today. Keep feeding that curiosity, keep prioritizing your health, and I'll catch you in the next one.